This is Abdul Hakim from Tech Arena. In this video, let's see a quick review of Samsung's one of the entry-level smartphone. Haven't you subscribed my channel yet? Then subscribe my channel and press the nearest bell button for the latest updates. Now let's get into the video. On the top of the box, we can see a picture of the device. Onto the bottom of the box, we can see some quick specifications of the mobile. After unboxing, we can see some documentation, warranty card, SIM ejective pin and some IMEI stickers. After keeping those stuffs aside, we have our device. Finally, we have a basic Samsung charger in the box. The body of the phone was made with plastic and glass to the front, although phone is not much bulky because of its 9.1 mm thickness and 142 grams of weight. By the way, the phone is compact in the hand and portable.
The phone has a 5 inches TFT display with 540 into 960 pixels resolution along with the 220 pixel density. The display has an average visibility in indoor and very poor in outdoor.
Now let's see the camera department of the device. Main camera has a 5 megapixels autofocus lens with f1.9 aperture size. The device also has the capability of shooting videos full HD in 30 frames per second. The front camera has a 5 megapixels lens with f2.2 aperture size. The device has a 1 GB of RAM along with 16 GB of storage. You can also expand the storage up to 256 GB by inserting a micro SD card in the dedicated slot. Now let's see about the software of the device. The device is running on the Android 8.1 or year under Android Go. Now let's see about the hardware specs of the device. The device has a Exynos 7870 processor which has made in 14 nanometers architecture. It also has a 8-core Cortex-A53 CPU clocked at the speed of 1.6 GHz. It has a Mali T830MP1 GPU. The device has a 2600 mAh of non-removable battery with support of 5 watts charging.
The device is available in 2 SIM versions, such as single nano SIM plus micro SD card or dual SIM plus dedicated microSD card. The device is also available in 4 colors such as black, blue, red and gold.
Overall, this device is a good pick for elders and those who are new for smartphones.